XFJ830M35. Time value. How can it be studied without becoming a market price? Once verified duration has been examined as a possible time asset dimension, the next pressure test is, can time value be studied without confusing it with market price? This distinction is essential. Time value. Market price. Market price can depend on demand, rarity, condition, provenance, authenticity, cultural significance, market conditions. XFJ830 does not propose that verified duration automatically determines any of these outcomes. Instead, it asks, if irreversible time can be supported by evidence and independently examined, can that verified time contribute to a broader understanding of value? The proposed research path is time carrier, evidence, verified duration, time asset, time value. Each stage requires its own justification. Time carrier asks what physically carries the history. Verified duration asks what evidence supports that history and its duration. Time asset asks whether verified duration provides an additional dimension for understanding the asset. Time value asks whether that verified time has significance within a broader study of value. This does not mean assigning a price. It means investigating whether irreversible time itself contains information that conventional asset analysis may not fully represent. The pressure test must therefore include independent research. Researchers may ask, can the duration be verified? Is the evidence strong enough? Can the methodology be independently examined? Does verified time provide information beyond existing asset dimensions? Can its significance be separated from market speculation? If the evidence is insufficient, the conclusion should remain uncertain. If the relationship cannot be demonstrated, time value remains a research proposition. If future evidence changes the interpretation, the framework should be revised. Time value should be investigated, not declared. This creates the necessary boundary. Verified duration. Guaranteed value. Time asset. Market price. Time value. Investment return. XFJ830 therefore does not tell a market what something should be worth. It asks whether verified irreversible time can become an independently researchable dimension of value. That is the central pressure test of XFJ830M35. The next question is, if time value remains a research proposition, what would high-end decision makers and major auction markets actually need to see before taking it seriously? XFJ830 official website, www.xfj830.com. XFJ830 time value. Time asset. Verified duration value research.